G'day everybody and welcome back to another episode of Craft by Tim. Today we're going to be making this awesome copper and steel spatula. Let's get straight in. Unfortunately I lost a bunch of footage, but I'm going to be using some 0.55mm copper here, and we're just going to start off by cutting out a simple spatula shape. Because of all these jagged edges, I'm just going to dress it quickly with a hammer to knock them all down to the same size, and then we'll dress it properly with a file. Just going to do a little bit of bending to hopefully increase the strength of this, because once again it is only 0.5mm thick. Now we're on to forging. I made quite a few mistakes with the beginning of the process, as well as towards the end of doing the handle, the ring at the top of the handle. I isolated way too much material for that. It ended up being way too long, and I put a twist in it. I didn't really like the twist. In the end, I am cutting a new piece of material and starting fresh from the start. And by the end of it, I was actually pretty happy with the way that this turned out. And there you go, first project for the new year. I actually really like the way that this turned out. It's really cool. Just love that juxtaposition between the black metal and copper. Looks really cool. And a very simple handle, and like doing this fullering makes it look a lot bigger. So maybe the copper spatula ends should probably be a little bit bigger as well. Anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying your new year, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to be uploading a little bit more regularly, so I'll catch you all in the next one. In the meantime, do remember to stay safe, happy crafting, and as always, cheers.